Hi guys, it's Sam and welcome back to the YouTube channel, or if you're new here, it's nice to meet you. Now in today's video, I'm going to be running through my best tips for negotiating a price for a potential first home for you. But before I do, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. That way you're not going to miss any uploads and you help us get towards 1,000 subscribers. All right, so let's get to it. So the first tip is to know the market in the area that you're looking to purchase. It's always good to understand the average purchase price for the type of home that you're looking to buy. So for example, most of the 3-bed semis in the area sell for 300 grand, but the one that you're looking at is 350 grand. Why is that? Is it overpriced? Have they increased the...
Everything okay?
Can I do that again? I left.
Coffee.
For example, most of the 3-bed semis in the area sell for 300 grand, but the one that you're looking at is 350,000. Why is it? Is it overpriced? Are there significant upgrades on the inside? We need to investigate that a little bit more. Number 2 is find out as much as you can about the property and the sellers. Now, I don't mean going to go and stalk them on social media, but do ask the seller and the estate agents as many questions as possible. Find out how long it's been on the market for, why they're selling, if there's any urgency, if they've found a property that they're looking to buy. You know, all those factors can contribute. And if they are looking to sell quickly, then they might be willing to accept a lower offer to get the sale started quicker.
30 grand, this is the best I can do.
And also find out how much interest there is in the home and whether there's been any offers as well. And you'll kind of tell because estate agents might back to back stack up all the viewings and you'll know there's a lot of people interested in it. Number 3, utilize the viewing itself. Now, when you view the property, get a sense of what needs replacing. So is it windows, boilers, kitchens and bathrooms? Because that all can be costly and you'll want to understand which one you're going to start first. So make a note of it all, go away, do the research, find out how much it's going to be to repair or replace what needs to be done in the house. Can you see signs that it might be overpriced? So when you view the home, what's the actual size of the property? Does it have unique or periodic features? What's the condition? And how does it compare with similar homes that may have been on the market a little bit cheaper? Number 4 is to keep them cards as close to your chest as possible. So if you're viewing a home and the seller is there, it's easy to get talking and spill out your buying position and how much you can lend from the banks. But don't show your hand too soon. Now, if the seller and agent can tell that you found your dream home, they may assume you'll pay a higher price to secure it. And finally, when you're putting in your offer, emphasize your position as a first-time buyer. Now, first-time buyers hold a great position. You're chain free, which means you're more attractive than other people who are waiting to sell their home, and sometimes there could be quite large chains involved. Now, some sellers will value this more for a quick sale than offering over the asking price, so good to know. Okay, so the key things you need to remember are know the market in the area that you're looking to purchase, find out as much as you can about the property and the sellers, utilize the viewings, keep your cards close to your chest, and emphasize your position as a first-time buyer. So there you have it, my go-to tips and tricks when negotiating on a property for the first time. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Or if you want a part 2 to this, then leave me a home emoji down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.